Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Honeywell water heater has started blinking 7 times and hot water is no longer working the way it normally should, it can leave you wondering what the light is actually trying to tell you. Sometimes the blinking pattern appears suddenly after normal use, while other times the system seems to run for a short moment before stopping again. A repeating light pattern can sometimes point to airflow, gas supply, or sensor related behavior, but smaller things like connection changes or system refresh needs can also play a part. Before assuming something major is happening, there are a few simple checks that may help the unit return to normal operation. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix a Honeywell water heater blinking 7 times. Try these. Step 1. Watch the blinking pattern on the Honeywell water heater carefully and confirm it repeats 7 times consistently. Step 2. Turn off power to the Honeywell water heater for a short moment before starting it again. Step 3. Check the airflow area around the Honeywell water heater and make sure nothing is blocking ventilation. Step 4. Confirm the gas supply connected to the Honeywell water heater is fully available and working normally. Step 5. Review the control section on the Honeywell water heater for any loose settings or unusual behavior. Step 6. Run hot water and monitor the Honeywell water heater to see if the blinking pattern stops returning.